uh, Color psychology in business branding. So, sa business branding, meron daw tayong color psychology. No? Pag red, bold, power, excitement, and imaginative. So, ibig sabihin na ito yung mga taong risk takers pagka red. Pag yellow, creative, happiness, clarity, and optimism. So, ito yung may mga positive outlook. Yung purple naman, pag ang color ng business brand mo ay purple, royalty, luxury, spirituality, and ambition. So, ibig sabihin, may connection sa taas yun pag purple, which is the most important thing. Pag blue, trust, peace, loyalty, competence. Yun ang blue. Pag green, syempre, nature, healing, quality, and growth. Alam naman natin yan. Pag green, obvious na yan. Nature. White is clean, simple, and neutral. Oh, kaya pala. And then yung black, of course, kaya ang Nike black. Dahil sophistication, dramatic, and security. Kaya pala yung check ng Nike is black. Dahil may ganon. Pink, compassion, sincerity, sweet, at saka light. So, usually, ito yung may mga sa feminine products. No? Kaya pala si Bret Hart pink. No? Kasi kaya nga heart Diba? So, yun yung branding. No? So, butit may business psychology vlog tayo. Ito yung konektado sa color. Na dapat matagal ko ng blinag. So, yun lang yung matatandaan natin bago. Baka mamaya meron ulit tayo. So, yun lang po.